In today's video, I'm going to share with you a really simple method to make money online. Now, using this, you can potentially earn over $160 a day, and I'll also share with you some other ways that you can actually make more money with this. Now, I'll share with you free resources, I'll share with you a paid resource, and basically by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get this whole method up and running realistically within about 30 minutes. It's simple, it's easy, and I'll walk you through this whole process. So first, let's go ahead and have a look at the website that we're talking about today. So if I click on here, the website we're looking at today is this one over here, and it's called Gumroad.com. Now this website, let me just show you some statistics. So if I scroll down here, this is the website and how many visitors they're getting every single day. So you can see in August 2020, the website received over 14 million visitors. September 13.8, following 14, 14, 15. So you can see here, this website, this Gumroad.com, they're averaging a little over 14 million visitors every single month. So what is it and how can we use this to our advantage to make money? Well, if I come up here, I'm just going to click on Discover. Now you see here we have all of these different categories. We've got photography, we've got games, film and video, comics, books and writing, anything basically. So let me just click on everything, and it's going to bring up all of these different products. So basically over on this website here, this Gumroad.com, you can find products in any niche or in any category. Apparently you can find it in everything, so instead let me just go ahead and search for something. So in the search box up here, I'm just going to type in, let's just search for, oh no, it's come up now, let's just scroll down and have a look. So you see here, we've got best-selling items in film and video. Scroll further down the page, best-selling in music, come further down. Then we've got books and writing, come further down, education, etc. So on this website over here, you can upload services and make money. And I'll share with you a really simple and a fast way to make money with this website. So if I come up here, let's just go ahead and type in, I'm just going to type in affiliate marketing as an example. And I'll share with you a couple of different ways. But once you see how simple this whole process is, I think you'll be pretty excited by it. So you can see here, there's currently, I'm a bit surprised by that, there's only 166 products with the keyword affiliate marketing over on this website. So if I scroll down here, what are these products? So look at this one here, it's flipping easy. This here, it's a guide and it's currently selling for $50. Come further down the page here, what's that, sorry, Instagram money bundle, this is $75. Click here. So basically what's happening is people are selling products on here, and what's really cool about this is once you set all of this up, it's automated. So all you're going to have to do is spend a little bit of time creating the content and uploading the content onto here, and you're up and running with this method. But you don't have to create any content yourself. It's a really simple way. So how can we start uploading on here and making money from this? Well, the method that we're going to use for this is using free PLR products. Now, if I come over here, I'll just show you this. So if you don't know what PLR is, it stands for private label rights, and basically it means you can go ahead and get access to a video course, an ebook, lots more things, and basically you can go ahead and give it away. You can sell for it and sell it and make money. So if we come down here, this is just an example, by the way. So over on this website here, this PLR eBooks for free, obviously they're all for free. So you can go through and find any products in any niche, and you can basically make money from them. So on this website here, you can go through and filter this and, go through and have a look at everything that they've got available. On the left-hand side, they've got all of the different categories. Now, not everything on this website is free. However, if you go through and literally just filter this via free products, you can find them, and you can go into all of the different categories and niches that you want for this. So you can go through and use this website over here, and this is just one example. So you've got PLR books for free.com. If we're going to another one, we've got, where is it gone? idplr.com. Again, you can find thousands of products that you can get for free, make some little tweaks and amends to, and you can make money. And look up here, look, there's currently on this website here 12,590 PLR products, and here's the key point, which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. Pretty cool, isn't it? So you come in here and look, we'll go to eBooks in a certain category or a niche, and we download that ebook. and it tells you everything in here. So you see up here what's included, what is PLR, how to use PLR. Feel free to go ahead and have a read of this, but basically, essentially, you can get a product, sell it, and make money. But all you have to do here is spend a little bit of your time doing this. Now, we don't want to just go ahead and sell one of these products over here, because this is not how we're going to make the bulk of our money. So we come over to these websites here, we download these free PLR books. Once we've got those PLR books, we then go over here to where's it gone? We go over to ClickBank, and we're going to find a product related to our free PLR book. And the reason being is, once we've got our free download, we're then going to get our affiliate link to a related product, and we're going to insert that inside of the book that we've downloaded. So basically, someone's going to pay us, let's just say $5 or $10 for the product that we're going to be downloading for free. Inside of that book, we're going to add an affiliate link. So we'll just go with e-business and marketing here. And I'm just going to simply click on here and go to Gravity. And we'll scroll down and find a product to promote. So you see this here, look, the 12-minute affiliate system. Average conversion is $163. So if I wanted to promote this here, click on here. And I click on Generate Hop Link. And I have now got my affiliate link for this product over here. Now, if I go back over to one of these free websites over here, let's just go back into this one here, and we're going to search for affiliate marketing, like so. And it just takes a second, and it will go ahead and it'll bring up anything related to affiliate marketing. There'll be ebooks, videos, graphics, and lots more, but we're just going to focus on an ebook. So let's have a look at this one here, for example. And click on here and we'll have a look and see if this one is free. Yeah, this one's free. Everything that you're going to get with this. Let's go up and it tells you here, look, yes, it can be sold. Yes, it can be used for personal use. And if you scroll down to the bottom, look, no, you cannot give it away for free. You cannot add it to membership websites, and you cannot sell private label rights for it. But you can sell this yourself and make amends to it, and then basically make money. So if you wanted this book here, you click on download. And you have to create an account first over on this website over here. So let me quickly log in. And I'll show you just how simple this whole process is. So scroll down here. Where's that product just gone? No, let me just go back. Affiliate marketing. I'm going to go ahead and download this free book. So we'll click on here. And when this loads up in a second, we'll just very quickly download it. So let me click on download. And then it starts downloading. So we now have a book which is ours essentially, and we can use that book to give away. And you can see down here, it's just downloading here. So once it's downloaded, we're then going to use some tools to basically insert our affiliate link to the product over on ClickBank. Now I use a free, I don't use a free tool, I use a paid tool, which it's relatively cheap. It's 20, I think it's 25. I'll show you that in a second. But if you don't have any money whatsoever, what you can actually do is come online and go over to this website over here, which is called smallpdf.com. Now all you do on here is you come down and you can see, look, PDF to Word. So you take that document, you upload it onto this small PDF, you convert the PDF to a Word document, you then insert your affiliate link here from ClickBank into the PDF, into the Word document. Once you're happy with all of that, you simply convert it back to a PDF and you download it and you're done. Now I don't use that because obviously I have a paid resource. So if I come back over here, let me just open this up. I use Designer, and I'll just show you this process. So let me just log into my Designer account. And look, I only use this because of the speed of this. You know, it's quick, it's easy. I don't want to mess about converting something from Word documents PDF and then, you know, back again. This piece of software here, it does it all pretty much instantly for you. So I'm going to click on New Project, and I'm going to import from a PDF. So if I come down here, let's just find import from PDF. and I can just put in title. I'm just going to put in affiliate marketing. I'm not going to bother with any of this, and I'm just going to click on upload from your computer, and then I'm just going to come up here, click on downloads. Oh no, I know one thing I've not done, so let me go down here and click on downloads. What I need to do is, so you see this here, this traffic beast, when you download it, it comes in a zipped file like this. All we do is we'll click on here, and you see here where it says ebook. That there, that PDF, look, that is our PLR. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that onto my desktop, like so. Now I'll go back over here into this designer and click on upload from your computer. And I'm just going to go down and find it. And it's here, look. And then the next part of this is we're just going to pick a template for this. And look, there's hundreds of different templates on here. Don't spend too long doing this. I mean, you can go and search by, different categories that you want, but I'm just going to pick one for the speed of the video. So let's just go with use. So I'll click on here and look, it's preparing my ebook for me. And again, it won't take long. That's it, done. Now watch this. This is why, again, I use and recommend this piece of software, because it's pretty awesome. So if I scroll up here, let me go to the top. See, this is now our ebook that we can start listing over on Gumroad. Now if I come down here, look, you can edit any part of this. So if you want to put your name here, you just click on here and I'll just put in Mark, not taught at school, whatever basically. So let me just put that on there for now. If you want to change, the colour of this, the font, the size of it, absolutely anything, you can play around with it until your heart's content. And we're just going to scroll down here. Now, you remember our affiliate link that we got over from ClickBank? Well, you can add that wherever you want. So you see here, like this, for example, this heading. If I wanted to change that and just put, I don't know, like say something like, let me just do this. How to fast track affiliate marketing. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to double click on there, and I'm going to click on there, and you see here where it says website or web page URL. I'm just going to go back over here. Remember this link here that we got from ClickBank? I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to click on OK, and that's it done. And now if I scroll further on the page, I can add another one wherever I like. Now look, that up here, this affiliate link here, see this? If I want to include this on every single page, I can do so. Now you've got a number of options up here. You can word wrap this, you can change the font, the text, or whatever. And look, apply text to all headers. So if I click on there now, are you sure? Yes. Scroll further down the page. Look, it's on every single page. So if I come back up here, I want this to be a better call to action. So I'm going to click on here, edit. And that's our website URL. I'm just going to click on here like so. And we type some, we want like a call to action. So click here to learn how to fast track affiliate marketing. Anything. And you'd make it a bit better than this. You'd maybe have it standing out a little bit more. So you'd maybe have something like this on here. And the same on this side over here. But you get the picture basically. So you can put that there, and then that now goes on to every single, let me come up here and click on this one over here. Apply, yes. And then look, that there is now on every single page within that ebook. And then you can also include, other call to actions within the text. You just add it in basically. So you go through, you add in your affiliate link, you make sure you're happy with this. If you want to include, images and other bits, then you can absolutely do so. But once you're happy with this, you go through, if you don't want this page here, you can click on here, it gets rid of it, etc. So it's really simple, really easy. So this here now, it's just created me, what is this? It's 26, 20. It's a pretty long book, isn't it? I think you'll agree. So I'm going to click on publish. And I'm just going to click on here. I'll just type in YouTube example. Click on export. And then it just takes a few minutes, and then it's going to export this PDF or this ebook for us. So now what do we have? We've gone ahead and we've found a free piece of PLR in the look, let me just click on download. So we've got a free piece of PLR, we've downloaded this, with our affiliate link in. You can see it's a 35-page ebook. Let's scroll further down. Look, we've changed this. We've got our affiliate link in here as well. So it's pretty cool. So now all we do is we take our ebook here, we come over to the website Gumroad, and you click on Start Selling, and it's free. In fact, let me just show you this. Let me go back over here. Go to pricing. Show you this. Look, it's absolutely free. There's no monthly fees, unlimited products, and basically you get lots more information on here. And why I like this method is Gumroad, as you saw at the beginning of the video, they're getting 15 million people a month over on this website here. So you've got a great potential to get your content in your ebooks in front of lots of people. It walks you through, how do I get paid? How do customers pay? How does Gumroad discover work? So basically, if somebody over on Gumroad purchases your product via this website here, directing the traffic for you, they will take an additional 10% fee. But in the grand scheme of things, we're not too fussed about that because we're going to be making the bulk of our money from clicking the link over inside of our ebook. Now you can also obviously market these listings that you put up on Gumroad yourself and drive more traffic that way. But overall, that's today's video. There's links to everything below for you. I'll drop a link to the software that I use. I'll also drop a link over to this Gumroad on here for you. And one last thing I would say is if we just come back over here, let's just go to Gumroad. I'll just tell you this as well. When you're putting up your listings over on Gumroad, so let me just go back in here, sorry. Affiliate marketing. Let me just try that again. What does it mean, run out of time? See here, this is the image that you're going to be drawing people into your ebook or your listing on here. Don't just go ahead and, take a screenshot of the actual product that you're going to be selling on here. Use a free software. Go over to this one over here, canva.com. And literally just create a new front cover for it, and basically it will help you to stand out within the marketplace because some people might be doing this exact method what I'm sharing with you today. It didn't look like it because there was only 160 listings for affiliate marketing, but what you can do on here is just come over to Canva, scroll through, and literally you want to find, just go to ebook template image. I'm sure there'll be one in here for you. Keep going along. Look, there we go. Look, book cover. So you can come in here, use this software, again, for free, create your image that you will basically put on here as your main listing. And that's basically the whole method. So use free PLR content. Go ahead, download that, get an affiliate product over from ClickBank, get your affiliate link, import that link inside of the PDF, and then once you've done all of that, you come over to Gumroad here, you upload it, and basically you're making money. You're making money essentially in two ways. People buying your products and also from your affiliate links embedded inside of the PDF. So that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.